Go in the white car. Go in the car. My phone, AI.
Hola. ¿Alguno de ustedes vieron algo? ¿O no?
Oh my gosh, it's a curse at the White House. 18.
I think it's like
00 Northwest.
MDMA.
Yeah. Are you involved? Or you
Not involved. I was witness to the crash. And then in the white car took off. That's her over there. Everybody basically took the light.
Everybody? What color was your light?
I was driving.
Okay, go. I'm wasting my time with it.
Go this way, get half a block with the tape. No pedestrians.
Go, this way.
What's going on? What's going on?
You live
I got work right there.
Okay, go ahead. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Shut up! Shut up!
Relax.
No, you're not Mom!
And Doug.
Miami, who do you have?
What happened? I got here.
Miami, who do you
This is
have?
what I found.
It's in the safe. It's in my safe. It's in the key. It's the crystal. Oh, we live forever.
Everybody was pulling me over there about the girl that was trying to flee.
Art, we need to create clothes. It's just gonna get cold.
He's possibly the offender? No. The witness told me that he was behind the Mercedes and that the black car had run the red.
Apparently, half the people, when I was asking them, they said they didn't see anything.
What's her condition? I think she's under the influence of something.
Did she cause it or just involved?
She was involved.
We don't know what part.
I only have one witness, so.
Where's the one with?
He left already. He left me his phone number.
Find out if these family members are witnesses or not.
Okay, ¿ustedes son familiares de alguien?
Trabajamos con ella y decía aquí yo
¿Cuál carro es tuyo?
Ma'am.
No, come around the side. Recovery position.
She's what?
Pissed.
¿Tú estabas manejando?
No,
Ok, ¿quién estaba en el carro contigo?
mi novio.
Ok, tu novio. ¿Nada más dos personas?
Y una de atrás.
Y uno de atrás. Ok. Miami, we need every record in the world. ¿Tú estabas adelante?
Y el otro señor
Ok. ¿Y ustedes vieron algo?
Sí, porque se gritaban en el semáforo y cuando vinieron de repente. Ey, chill out.
Papi, tú espérame aquí en esa esquina.
Este es mi carro, no lo tengo.
Déjalo ahí, nadie lo va a mover. Espérame ahí en la esquina esa, ¿ok?
Are they gonna bring me to him? Are they gonna bring me to him?
They're coming now. So you need to relax.
Mami, espérame aquí. ¿Ya te vio el rescue?
No.
4510 reference. I need rescue here to check out one of the passengers in the vehicle.
Just stay like how I told you, okay?
She's gonna be at Miami and 8.